Hello everybody, my name is Klaus. I am a member of the EPLAN support team at Pilz. In my tutorials you will learn a lot about the ECAD system EPLAN and in combination with our Pilz products. Today I show you how you can create automatically in less than 5 minutes a schematic in EPLAN with our PITreader and our PNOZmulti 2 system.
Do you still draw in EPLAN? Do you still select products with the catalog? Would you like to realize a safe operating mode and access authorization for your machine? If yes, then take a look to our PITreader tutorial.
That you can use our PITreader configurator, you need a EPLAN system higher than 2.9 and access to the EPLAN cloud. First I start EPLAN Platform 2023 and open my target project. Next I click to EPLAN Cloud and start the eBUILDfree configurator. I choose the PITreader configurator and click to the letter I. In the description I found a picture with different possibilities of safe operating mode with access authorization. I click to the image and jump to the Pilz website with a detailed description of operating mode selection and access permission system PITmode. I go back and close the website. I click to the PITreader configurator and choose my target project. I fill out the page settings. I choose the operating mode selection system PITmode Fusion and the authentication system PITreader. I set the hook to place data portal hyperlinks. With the hyperlinks I can download in the EPLAN data portal the Pilz engineering product datas. I click to generate. I open my target project page number 1 with my 24-volt DC power supply. On page number 2 I see the complete schematic of the safe operation mode and access authorization. I click to the hyperlink, and it's open the data portal with the engineering datas of the PITmode Fusion, so that I can download it in my article database. You can see a list of accessories of the PITmode Fusion. I do the same for my safe operating mode switch. You can see a 3D model of the operating switch. I go back to my schematic. On my schematic you can see 5 PLC inputs with no PLC and no PLC address. I go back to the eBUILDfree configurator and choose the PNOZmulti 2 configurator. I click to my target project. I select the basic module MB1 and the extension module 8 digital input and 4 digital output. I click to generate. In my target project you can see my PNOZmulti 2 system. I click to device. I open the PLC navigator. View is channel-oriented. I mark the 5 empty inputs and click to use connection points blockwise. I activate my filter, free inputs. I mark 5 free inputs. I transfer the 5 inputs to my PITreader schematic. Now we has a safe operating mode and access authorization, with control by the PNOZmulti 2 system.
You are now able to create a schematic of the PNOZmulti 2 and the PITreader by yourself in less than 5 minutes. If you like this tutorial, give me a like and subscribe my channel. If you are more interested, don't miss my next tutorial. See you next. Bye bye.